Very good morning, 24th December. Welcome to Dear Teacher and Ravi Tuitions. Learn Maths and Science with Ravi sir. Ravi Tuitions takes offline tuitions, it gives offline coaching in where I am located, that is East Godavari, Andhra Pradesh, and also online coaching. Okay, I take also all online coaching. Now at present regular class is going on, 7th class, class 7, 5 o'clock, 5 to 6. So whoever is interested to join in class 7 through Zoom classes, Zoom, at 5 o'clock, they can join. They can send me a request so that I will take them into my online tuition class. My tuition class always will be an interactive. YouTube is completely free. My tuition class is through Zoom and also through my Dear Teacher app. It is a one-to-one interaction, like how the class goes, regular class goes in a school. In the same way, this class also will go. This class also will go. So, and I have a hybrid class also. That means I take offline. My students will be there sitting offline in front of the board. At the same time, I have some online students also. So they are equally interacting with me. They are equally interacting. They are equally interacting with me to clarify their doubts. So it is just like a classroom teaching. And this morning 6 o'clock, it's my passion. I have been taking this past 10 years, more than 10 years. Okay, 2013, 10 like that. So yesterday I did few practice problems in trigonometry. Today I have taken the syllabus quadratic equations. So today I will discuss some questions, very important questions, which are in 2 marks, 1 mark and also 4 marks. Okay, long answer questions I am going to discuss today. As very less viewers are there in trigonometry, I stopped it. Okay, yesterday very less number of students have seen. Maybe they are in the holidays, vacation. Even now also most of the students must be in vacation. So I did not continue the trigonometry practice problems. Today I will do some practice problems from R.D. Sharma as well as some other book also. I have actually I love this book. This is a textbook of mathematics. Okay, textbook of mathematics. It is by Monica Kapoor and the publications is Ratnasagar Publications. I feel this book, actually I have been using this book past 14 years. Okay, so very good results are there, and more number of practice problems are there. Okay, so I take either from this book or R.D. Sharma to have practice problems. So let me start without wasting time, and whoever is watching my videos without subscribing, please subscribe my channel, share my channel and like my channel. If you want to take one-to-one coaching, you can send me a message to this 7588343972. This is my WhatsApp number, and you can also get the details from my website ravishankar.online. Okay, this is my website. Okay, and also you can download my app from Play Store. That means Dear Teacher from Play Store. You can download this Google Play Store. So you can be in touch with me with all these three ways, connections. So without wasting much time, let me take up some questions from trigonometry, quadratic equations. So quadratic equation, very less number of concepts are there. First, check whether the given equation is a quadratic equation is there. So in check there are two types of questions. Okay, one type of question is check whether the given equation is a quadratic equation or not. Next, check whether the solution is, whether the given value of a variable is a solution or not. So in this check you will get two types of questions. One is you have to verify whether the given question is quadratic equation or not. So 3x is first one, just I will go with the A bit. First one, identify whether this is a quadratic equation or not. So when a question is like this, you should put it in the standard form. Standard form means is equal to 0 should be there. All the terms should be brought to the left hand side. So now 3x square is already there. 3x square minus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now check the degree. So if you check the degree, then you will come to know whether this is a quadratic equation or not. So the degree is the highest power. I just remind you what is a degree. The highest power of the variable. So highest power of the variable is 2, therefore degree is 2, therefore it is a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation. So if this question given as a 2 marks question or a 1 mark question or MCQ, directly check the degree and write yes or no, because all 1 mark questions you should complete it in either one word or one sentence. No need to have many steps. So this is a first question. Now I will just take one more equation, whether that is a quadratic equation or not, we have to verify. Okay. So let me rub this also. I will take this x square minus 3x minus 2 root x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So now see here, our concern is highest. So highest degree, highest power. So these two are x terms. Okay. So this power is this. I will write the powers. This I will write the powers. So here 2 and here 1 and here half and here 0. So quadratic equation should have only 3 terms maximum. 3 terms maximum. Okay. So as this term is there, so we may consider as a quadratic equation, or we may not, because our thing is only degree is 2. So therefore we can consider this as a quadratic equation. But it is because there is a half, that means degree is half. Okay. It is difficult to find out the solution of this equation. But as far as the definition is concerned, this is a yeah, you didn't complete your board exam. Okay. So let me take up one more question. Udit, wish you all the best, Udit. Today you are having a maths exam. So let me take up one more question here. X square minus 1 by x square is equal to 3. So now this is not in the standard form. This is not in the standard form. Therefore, went well. Okay, you have very good. Very happy to hear your message, see your message. Good. All questions you must have attempted. All questions you must have attempted. Wow, very nice. Happy to see. Don't worry, you will write the board exams also very well. Okay. Now, let us see whether this is a quadratic equation or not, because it is not in the standard form. There is a denominator with variable. So, it is not in the standard form. So, you have to make it in the standard form and then check the degree. As it is, the degree is 2. So, don't decide at this stage whether it is a quadratic equation or not. So, now you take LCM, x square is the LCM, x square into x square, x to the power of 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, cross multiply, x to the power of 4 minus 1 is equal to 3x square, bring this side, x to the power of 4, 3x square minus 1 is equal to 0. The degree is 4, therefore, it is not a quadratic equation. It is not a quadratic equation. Okay. So, always quadratic equation, that means you should see the degree, you should write it in the standard form and then check the degree, right. Let me take up one more question fastly, right. So, there is a big question, x by 2 plus 6 by x is equal to 5. So, now this is also a fractional problem, fraction. We do not know whether this is, because we have to put it in the standard form. So, 2x is the LCM. You can have like this, a by b, c by d, bd multiply and cross multiply. So, then AD plus BC. This you can apply here directly. So, 2 into x. So, here x into x, x square, and here 2 into 6, 12 is equal to 5. Cross multiply, x square plus 12 is equal to 10x. Standard form, x square minus 10x, 12 is equal to 0. The degree is 2, therefore, it is a quadratic equation. So, you should Udit, I am from Andhra Pradesh. I am from Andhra Pradesh state, but I worked in Maharashtra more time. I worked in even Middle East also more time. I didn't work in Andhra Pradesh. I worked in Hyderabad more number of years, and I worked in Maharashtra, as well as I worked even in okay. So, let me take up one more question, right, one more question. One more question of the same model, because this will, oh, you are from Delhi. How is Delhi now? Your Delhi, almost roads are closed, is completely fog. No. All my students, so many of my students are in states. Okay, all my brothers, children, everybody is in. Most of the students are my students, and also my Yeah, Delhi is completely polluted. So now let me take up one more question of this model. This will help you even in the otherwise also. Don't think that these are only for verification of whether it is a quadratic equation or not. It will help in solving also. So now this is the question. Don't think, verify whether this is a quadratic equation or not. That is one way. Or you will get solve. That means a 2 marks question or a 4 marks question also. So for both the things, this primary step is very much needed. Okay. So primary step is needed. So unless until you know this, you can't do the higher problems, higher order thinking problems. Definitely one long answer questions will come on this. So for that you should understand how to put it in the standard form. Okay. So then multiply, open the brackets, 5x into 2x, 10x square, 5x into 3, 15x, 1 into 2x, 2x, 1 into 3, 3 is equal to 10x into x, 10x square, 10x into 2, 20x. Okay, 1 into x, x, 1 into 2, 2. So if you see here, both sides 10x square is there, these two things will get cancelled. Even if you bring this side 10x square minus 10x square, it will become, so it will become 0. So x square term is 0. Degree is not equal to 2. Therefore, it is not a quadratic equation. I did not put it in the standard form. Okay. Without putting it in the standard form, I had directly written it is not a quadratic equation because square term is not there. That means degree 2 term is not at all there. So it is a simple linear equation. It is a simple linear equation. So that's it. So now I'll take up only one more question of this model and then I'll switch on to one more. Yeah, all the others are online. That's very good. Only 10th and 12th open. That's very good. But definitely they will be losing. Online is not 100% okay. 10th, 12th is okay, but online is not 100% okay. They will be losing that entire beautiful days of schooling. Schooling days they will be losing. So let me go to one more question. Okay, one more question of the same model. This model may come as a big question also, long answer question. I will explain you this first. Okay. This question, whether we have to check whether it is a quadratic equation or not, sometimes solve. Okay, long answer question. So now all are there on the left hand side only. You take LCM. Okay, LCM, say if this is A and this is B and this is C, that means all the three denominators are different. All the three denominators are different. In such case, what you have to do? ABC is the LCM. ABC is the LCM. So multiply each and every term with ABC. Okay, I will do it. Multiply each and every term with the ABC. That means x minus 1 into x into 2 into first term plus, okay, this is the LCM. Again x minus 1 into x into 2 into x minus 1 by x. this is LCM, minus x minus 1 into x into 2 into 5 by 2 is equal to 0. So in such case what happened? X minus 1 will get cancelled, that is denominators are getting eliminated. So x and x are cancelled and 2 are getting cancelled. If you do like this, all the denominators will get disappear, eliminated. So only numerator things are there. So then x into 2 into x, 2x square. Okay, second term. So x minus 1, 2, x minus 1. So 2 into x minus 1 whole square. Here x minus 1, x and 5. So minus 5 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now open the brackets, 2x square, 2 into a minus b whole square, x square, a square plus 2ab, sorry, minus 2ab plus b square. I am writing directly 5x into x, 5x square, minus into minus plus 5x into 1, 5x is equal to 0. So now 2x square plus 2x square minus 4x plus 2 minus 5x square plus 5x is equal to 0. So now 2x square, 4x square, 4x square minus 5x square. So it is minus x square. Now minus 4x plus 5x. So it is equal to plus x. And constants, here is only 2. So 2 is equal to 0. So x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. I have multiplied with minus. So that I multiplied all the terms with minus, I got x square minus x minus 2. You will get roots for this. You can easily find out factors. The factors are x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2 or minus 1. So this is a 4 marks question also. Solve, he gives like solve. So solve means you put it in the standard form and then find say standard form, quadratic equation standard form, x square minus x minus 2, and then using the factorization method you can get the value. Yeah. So this is a very important question, right? So that is why most of the students, they will leave these questions, verify whether it is a quadratic equation or not. So very important. Now the second one is check whether the given things are solution or not. One problem I will do and I will switch out to another question. Only one question. Okay. Check x is equal to minus 5 is a solution of, let me take from the textbook only, x square plus 2x minus 15, x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0. So in this place, solution place, he may give root also. Okay, root, solution, both are okay, right? So this is a very simple, you substitute this in this. Okay, so if equation is getting satisfied, then it is a solution, otherwise it is not a solution. So minus 5 whole square, 25, plus 2 into minus 5, minus 10, minus 15 is equal to 0. So 25 minus 25 is equal to 0, 0 is equal to 0, true. Therefore, yes, x is equal to minus 5 is a solution. Because this is also an important, you have to verify, because on this definitely 100% one 2 marks question will come. One 2 marks question will come on this concept. How? Okay, I will tell you right now. So how to find whether the given value is a solution or not? Very simple. You put this value in the equation. If it is getting satisfied, it is a solution. It is not satisfied, it is not a solution. So now I will give you very most important question. Very most important question. 100% ये क्वेश्चन तो आपको आएंगे, राइट? एग्जाम में आएंगे, जरूर आएंगे. चैलेंज, राइट? सो चैलेंज आपको एक क्वेश्चन अभी देंगे. kx square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Kx square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2 by 3 is a solution. Find k. Okay. Find k. So this is the question. This question, definitely there is a chance you may be getting in MCQ or 1 mark question. Take it as a word. Now put this in this. That means this should be in the place of a variable. So now k, be careful, fraction is there. So k into 4 by 3, देखा कैसा गलत लिखा, 4 by 9, 2 by 3 minus 2 is equal to 0. So 4k by 9 minus 2 by 3 minus 2 is equal to 0. Fractions are there. Whenever fractions are there, my method is there. You take the LCM, multiply each term. So 3 and 9, LCM is 9. Multiply each term with 9. 9 into 4k by 9, 9 into 2 by 3, 9 into 2 is equal to 0. So ऐसा करने में these denominators will get cancelled. Okay. So then what is left here? 4k, 3 2s are 6, 9 2s are 18 is equal to 0. Denominators gayab. This is one way of doing. Okay. So then 4x minus 24 is equal to 0. 4x is equal to 24. X is equal to 24 by 4, 6. Sorry, not x. I'm sorry. It is k. Okay. 4k. So this is how. A very important question. Okay. So now let me switch over to another concept, right? That is solving. So first concept is over. The third concept is solve. There are two methods. One is a factorization method. The other one is a formula method. Solve quadratic equation using factorization method and formula method. It is a very important question. Most of the students are having stuck in with this factorization, because factorization is not a small area. You should do factorization at least 100 problems. If you do 100 problems, then you will be perfect in factorization. Otherwise, every model will definitely trouble you. So let me do some solving by factorization method. Formula method is easy. This factorization method is struggling. Easy problems anybody will do, but difficult problems are important. Okay. So I'll just give you various examples. There is a probability of getting it in the examination. Okay, first question. Solve 16x square minus 49 is equal to 0. Is it a quadratic equation? Yes, degree 2 quadratic equation. Okay, so then solve. He did not give factorization. If it is given factorization, you have to do in one way. If it is given just like this, you can do in your own way. Okay, some people will do like this: 16x square is equal to 49, x square is equal to 49 by 16, and x square, x is equal to square root of 49 by 16, which is equal to plus or minus 7 by 4. So x is equal to plus 7 by 4, x is equal to minus 7 by 4. This is how. Sometimes by factorization method, then this is wrong, because there are no factorization in this. It is direct solving. So if it is given factorization method, you have to do factorization. Or even if you get correct answer, you won't be getting any mark. You have to be very careful about the question. Most of the students, without reading completely, they start doing it more enthusiastically. बहुत खुश हो जाएंगे. जो भी problem आपको आता है ना, you will be very happy. But no, wrong. So factorization. So it is a tricky. It's not tricky. Whenever you have only two terms, x term is not there, you can use this formula: a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Whenever you have two terms, whenever there is a minus, that is also important. Whenever there are two terms, a square is one term, b square is one term. Whenever there are two terms, whenever there is a minus, then you can apply this formula: a plus b into a minus b. So then you have to write it in the a square minus b square. That means you should write 4x whole square and you should write 7 whole square. Now factors are 4x plus 7, 4x minus 7 is equal to 0. So 4x plus 7 is equal to 0, and 4x minus 7 is equal to 0, and x is equal to minus 7 by 4, and here x is equal to 7 by 4. This is how. This method, this strategy, this concept can be applied to any question which have two terms. That means x term is not there. I'll just show you. I'll just do it in other question. I'll remove this. In this place, I'll write 3 root 2. And I'll take up this also. I'll remove this also. X square minus 3 root 2. Even this also you have to put it in this form. Okay? Yeah, it is very simple. X whole square. इसको कैसा लिखना है? How to write 3 root 2 as a square? Okay? Very simple. Square करने के बाद ये आना चाहिए. Square करने के बाद ये आना चाहिए. Right? So then how? How? Just a minute. Then how to put this as a square? Okay. Square root of 3 root 2 whole square. Square root of, because square root करने के बाद ही आएंगे. Square root of 3 root 2 whole square. Very simple. X square minus 7 is equal to 0. So x whole square, this root 7 whole square. So root 7 whole square, root will gayab. So root of this entire thing whole square, root will disappear. Then 3 root 2 will be there. So whenever you have a question like this, you can do. Then what are the factors? X plus 3 root 2 into x minus 3 root 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus square root of 3 root 2 and x is equal to plus 3 root 2. Okay. So don't get panic. ऐसा square root के अंदर square root आएंगे. It's okay. This is only the way. So this is very important. Whenever you have a factorization method, whenever there are only two terms, use this method. Let us go to one more question of this same model. Okay. Four x square minus 324 is equal to 0. Same model, I am not going to take up. I will take up one more question. Okay. 3 terms. Let me take up 3 terms. That means second model 10x square minus 33x plus 20 is equal to 0. I have taken a big problem only so that it will be easy for you to understand the process. So many tricks are there everywhere. My general method I will just give you. That is the method for everything. Now we have to split we have to factorization, solve, I will write completely, solve by factorization method. Otherwise, so now take x square coefficient 10 into take constant 20 is equal to 100. So the product of A and C, AC. Otherwise, product of x square coefficient and the constant. So you will get one answer product. This is positive product because 20 is having plus, it is a positive product. Please understand carefully. It is a positive product. Whenever you get a positive product, you should add the factors to get the middle term. You should add the factors to get the middle term coefficient. Whenever you have a positive product, you should see that these two factors should add to get 33. Now 10 and 20, 40, not 33. So this set of factors are not suitable. So then how to do? So because 33 is there, you divide 50, so the factor should be bigger, around 20, like that it should be there. I am not going to give you those techniques. I will tell you a small simplest method you will get easily. You start from 2 into 50, 100. This is also not possible, 52. 3 table won't go. 4 into 25 is equal to 100. I am sorry, 10 into 20 is 200. 10 into 20 is 200. I am sorry. So procedure is same. 2 into 100. Not possible. 3 table won't go. 4 into 50. Not possible. 5 table. Let us take 5. 5 into 40. 5 into 40, 200. This is also not possible. Not possible. Because if you add these two factors, you should get 33. Don't look at minus sign. You should get 33. So 5 won't go, 6 won't go, 7 is not a factor, 8, let me see 8. 2, 4, 2, 8 is 16, 5. So 25 plus 8, yeah, this is the pair. If you add, you will be getting 33. Definitely you will get somewhere. If you do like this, definitely you will get somewhere this pair, 100% without wasting your time. So now let us split the term 10x square. Because it is minus, you add minus for both the things. So minus 8x minus 25x plus 20 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. So then first two terms you pair up, second two terms you pair up and take the common things. Okay? Take the common things. So in this 10 and 8, GCF, HCF, highest common factor, 10 and 8, it is only 2, x square and x. So then 5x minus 4. Again here 25 and 20, 5 is the thing. I am writing minus here. So then I am taking minus also common. It is 5x. This plus will become minus because I am taking minus from plus. It will become minus is equal to 0. So at 100% these two things should be same. If these two things are not same, then this splitting is wrong. If these two factors are not same, then this splitting is different, wrong. So be careful. आप इधर गलत आ गए तो इधर भी गलत आ जाएंगे. Now I got correct. So my splitting is fine, right? It is 5x minus 4. Again you take common. Here 2x and here minus 5 is equal to 0. So now I got the factors. 5x minus 4 is equal to 0. 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. And 5x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 by 5. And 2x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 by 2. Therefore, the solution is 4 by 5 comma 4 by 5 comma 5 by 2. So this is how, this is the complete process of Jai Shri Ram. You are going with it? Okay. So complete process is there in this. Same process is to be applied any damn problem with 3 terms. If he asks factorization method or splitting the middle term, both are same. Splitting the middle term, that is also some people will be using, factorization also will be using. So if you have 3 terms, use the same procedure. If you do not understand, please rewind the video and check it out. Okay, check it out. Let me take up one more question for you. I will take up one more question. 12x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Solve by factorization method. So same procedure you have to apply. Check whether you have copied it correctly or not. Yes, I copied correctly. 12x square minus x minus 1. So now what is the x square coefficient? X square coefficient is 12. So 12 into, what is the constant? Minus 1 is equal to minus 12. So here the product is minus. Previous case, product is plus. This case, product is minus. Whenever you have a product minus, you should subtract the factors to get the middle term coefficient. The middle term coefficient is 1. So you subtract the factors to get the middle term coefficient. So only 2 possibilities. You may get sometimes positive sum, positive product, I am sorry, positive product or negative product. So negative product we got. So therefore you should subtract the factors to get the middle term coefficient. Okay. So now let us find out the factors for 12. 1 into 12 already came. 2 into 6, 12, 6 minus 2, 4, but here 1 is there, not possible. 3 into 4, 4 minus 3, 1. Yes, this is possible. Over 3, 4 minus 3 is 1. We got 1. So then write 12x square. Bigger number you write first, 4x. Write the same sign. If minus is there, write minus. If plus is there, write plus. Bigger factor you write first. Bigger factor you write first. And the sign of x should be written to the bigger number. Everything will be alright. Then 3x plus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Opposite sign, minus 4x plus 3x is equal to minus. So first two terms, last two terms. Take common in this, 4x common. So 3x minus 1. So here kuch bhi nahi hai. 1 is the common. So 3x minus 1. 1 is the HCF for everything. So then what happens? So 3x minus 1 into 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. I got correct common factor. So my splitting is correct. So then 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 by 3. 4x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 by 4. Therefore, the solution is 1 by 3 comma minus 1 by 4. Please write the numbers clearly. Okay. So this is how. Yes, definitely. To get 100 out of 100, very simple. 10 days preparation is okay. 13 chapters per day, 1 chapter, 2 hours, because I should know your level also. Surya, Mr. Surya, right? If you are basics, if you are a regular student, of any school, and if you are doing homeworks and everything regularly, then it is damn simple. You can get 100 out of 100. This time is more than enough. आप पूरा साल भर कर रहे हैं ना, जरूरत नहीं है. ये 10-15 दिन में करो, आपको 100 out of 100 आ जाएंगे. Challenge. But provided you should by this time you should have done at least one time the whole textbook along with your school maths teacher or your tuition maths teacher, whatever, whoever. Then there is no problem, Mr. Surya. If you are good in maths, if you are a regular student, 100% you will get 100. This is my word. There is nothing. Okay. The thing is, you should have a proper strategy. I think you must be attending your school cycle tests and pre-board examinations. You find out where you are losing marks. Okay, you focus extra time on those topics where you are losing the marks. By this time you must have a knowledge that which topic you are weak and which topic you are strong. So now it is in the December 24th. Okay, 10 days में एक chapter का जहाँ आपको weak है, you take those chapters and focus. Do 1 mark question, do MCQs, do 1 mark questions, do 2 mark questions, do 4 mark questions, do 5 mark questions. Over. Very simple. But you should focus on MCQs. Many bright students are losing marks, 1 or 2 marks, only because of the MCQs. So if you are thorough with the other topics, with the subjective questions, focus more on MCQ questions. Definitely you will be getting, right? And in my description there is one option. You download my teacher app, Dear Teacher app. Dear Teacher. In this you have a all the 13 chapters questions. Just I will show you. I'll show you. This is how Dear Teacher app, my app. You can download this app from your. This is my logo. Okay, so you can download. You can interact with me online. You can have some free tests, and one test are there. You go to stores. You go to store because it is costing 5 rupees. 5 rupees. All the 13 chapters MCQ tests. I should keep something, so I kept it. I should keep something, I should kept it. Okay. So in this you will be finding say if you want to learn with me, I will join in somewhere thing CBSE and 10th class, 9th class back. If you go to stores, something is not opening. In that you have an option. You have an option. Buy all the tests only for 5 marks. Okay. So something is going wrong here. It is not getting downloaded. My touchpad must be having some problem, right? So, and you do all the 13 tests, definitely you will have a chance of getting full marks. Okay, I will continue tomorrow. Please subscribe my channel, share my channel with your friends. Share my channel with your friends. I will be always supporting to school students, any school students. I love students. I love teaching maths. I love to help the students. So bye bye. See you once again. My request, subscribe my channel. See you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with the same chapter. Bye bye.